How to save TikTok draft video to gallery without posting. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to save TikTok draft video to gallery without posting. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and make sure your TikTok application is updated to its latest version, and now go ahead and open the TikTok application and make sure you are signed in. You will be led to the home page of TikTok, so go straight to your profile in order to view the drafts on your profile. Here in your profile, you will be able to view all the drafts in your profile. Simply tap on the draft that you want to save to your gallery without posting. Now on the right side toolbar, you will see various options. Tap on the drop-down button you see there at the bottom and scroll up. You will then see the Save button, so go ahead and tap on that, and as you can see, the message appearing as draft has been saved to album. So this is how you can save TikTok draft to gallery without posting. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.